Gas station stops and fast food runs, making memories fast. Every mile's story and we're living it to last. From the city lights to the country skies, we're all about the ride. With the music up loud and my best friends by my side. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile. With the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile. With the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight. Road trip vibes, feeling free and wild. Every mile's a new adventure, every laugh a new smile. With the open road ahead and the stars in our eyes. Road trip vibes, we're living high on life tonight.
Ano? Mag-helicopter tayo? Mag-helicopter tayo.
Hindi, yung voice niya.
Oh, hindi naman ba? Dati lagyan mo tali yan eh. Sinusapit din sa ligo. Narahan naman pala dito.
Ay? Hindi, yung voice niya. Ay, hindi nakatada ba ito? Alam kung pupunta kayo ng Panaaban. Ay, grabe ang hangin.
Hangin. Grabe. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng view. Wow. Gusto ko. Ayan yung bundok. Ito yung helipad. Dito ako susunduin mamaya. Ay, grabe. Layo. Welcome to my channel. Dito daw namin papasukin yung 9.5. 9.3/4 ba yun? Harry Potter. Tara tayo pumasok sa Jurassic Park.
May signal ka.
Wala naman. Video pa lang. Ay, grabe. Wow, very relaxing. Ang sarap naman.
Wow.
Green na green yung paligid. Green na green ang paligid, guys. Tignan nyo. Ano ito? 1 hour trekking?
2 hours po. 2 hours.
Okay lang yan.
Dito ako balik. Ayan. 3.6 lang para maganda.
Yan, 1, 2, 3. Sa bata, buti hindi kita yung dalawa. 1, 2, 3. Kauterod.
Na hindi, kanina pa picture ng picture. Sina kayo mga senior? Ganda naman ng saya-saya. Na kami sa falls. Truar Falls. Ang ganda naman ng view. Okay. Ayan, naririnig ko na yung lagaslas ng tubig. Oo. Wala kayang banakakul dyan. Grabe no, ang ganda. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Oh, ang sarap dito. Nakaka-relax. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Hihina ako.
Wow!
Ay.
Ganda pala dito na, no?
Oo.
Oo. Hindi ako naka-araw.
Let me show you my countryside. Through these old headlights.
Sorry.
Lalangoy ka da.
Pero may butata dito.
Between you and me, between you and me, we will always be best friends. Between you and
Yes.
Ngayon pa lang napunta.